Hey guys, welcome back to Crafted by Kids. Today we're going to be making a paper 3D flower. This is what we're going to be making today. The materials you'll need are some colored paper, glue or tape, and scissors. First, you're going to take a regular sheet of paper and lay it out, which is going to be your base, which is my blue one. And then I'm going to cut out a green stem and make sure it fits in the paper. And then if you want, you can cut out green leaves to attach to the stem. This is optional, but I like to do it to really give my stem some pizzazz. When you finish cutting out the leaves and the stem, you can just glue or tape them down. I'm using glue. You can use a glue stick, or just glue, whatever you want. Next, what you're going to do is cut out a small circle from a yellow sheet of paper, which is going to be the middle of the flower. You can also do this after you finish the flower. I'm just doing it before. Next, you're going to take a sheet of paper, any color, I'm using red, and cut a small strip off the side. And then you're going to gently fold it in half and then glue it down. Just like that. And then you can make multiple of these, glue them in a circle, and put the yellow dot in the middle. When you finish making your little red flowers, you're going to organize them into the shape you want to glue them down in. And I suggest doing this so you know what it will look like, if you need to add more, take away some, before you start gluing it down. Then you're just going to glue down the edges. Finally, you're going to add the small yellow dot to the center of the flower, and there you go. Thanks for watching. Subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to like and share this video. Bye!